Yo, what is goody, people? We're here, we're live and direct. You know what it is. Not gonna waste time. We got a trade recap. Made about like 550, not 550, $511. It would have been more, like maybe 600. But the trade I was in UK got stopped out. I added a position, got stopped out. Realized that adding more positions for me, I don't really like it because I don't really know where to enter. So once my setup presents itself and I'm confident in it, I'd rather add a bit more risk to it, like a young 15%, max 20% on the account, but on the trade rather than adding as time goes because I wouldn't know where to put the stop loss. Because sometimes price will just rally up, rally or shit the bid, and now you really give me an extra entry. But unless I'm holding from the top side to the bottom or from the bottom and I see the price is really trending up, but yeah. Anyway, Bitcoin. Let's break down what I saw on Bitcoin. So this one made me a chunk of my, I think I closed on my one account, I made 400 and something dollars, or 300 because I got stopped out on two positions because of UK and this one. But as you can see, like I wanted to trade. Okay, so first off, I made a mistake. I traded the correction, which I realized I'm never doing that again. Never trade the correction because you never know when that shit is gonna stop. Ever. So I entered, like, funny enough, let me show you. I entered somewhere here, right? Price pushed up, came down, then I scaled to the 4 hour. I thought I was seeing a lower high. I saw this candle. I think this candle, or this one. I'm like, shit, I'm in the wrong trade or wrong trend. It wants to push down now. Closed. Then I'm like, fuck, wait, this shit is still pumping up. I could actually just keep entering. Then once it came above here, I entered. Then I closed like with 100 and something, 115, I think. Then I waited for it to indicate back bearish again because 4 hour was bearish. Then it pushed up, rallied, came down, tried to push up, then it just got weak. Buyers got weak, sellers became strong, then it just broke this support here. As you can see, I marked it here. Then it pushed down, and then price came up here, shot up, spiked. Then I saw this huge ass rejection, and then I was like, you know what? I'm feeling confident in this sell. I'm not gonna wait for this great candle to close, giving me a lower high. I'm just gonna enter off of this. I entered as this candle closed. Then it pushed up a bit, then started pushing down. Then came back up. The Saturday was kind of stressful. The Sunday, yeah, this was the Sunday. I entered the Sunday morning. It's kind of funny because Bitcoin, I find setups like almost at any given time. So I kind of like to trade it because it just moves at any time. Not gonna lie. Fine. Pushed down, came back up. My stop loss was here initially, above here. Then pushed down, breaking structures. I'm like, okay, I'm in good trade, pull structure, pushed up heavy. I was like, I'm not too phased by it. Into bed. Bro, I did not see this straight candle to the downside. I'm not gonna lie. My TP was somewhere here. But look where that shit rallied, bro. This shit rallied. Oh, this shit shot the bed till here, bro. So I woke up like around 2 a.m. Price was like somewhere here, pushing down, trying to, and I saw it was struggling because I saw this big ass rejection. I'm like, price does not want to move down. Then I closed like 400 on the one account, and almost 130 something, $34, which total was 511. So I was like, fuck. Right, when I woke up and then I used the TP level, like I was floating at some point $1,000, bro, or 900 and something. I was like, fuck. But I wasn't up though, and I didn't expect it to shit that heavy, because I saw my alert went off when I woke up in the morning, bruh. It's like, fuck. But it's cool though, cause I was right. I was right about the trade. But then I saw in the fall I was struggling, so I closed and I'm like, okay, I'll wait for session. Then I started seeing it push up heavy, and I would have been stopped out. I was like, damn, imagine if I didn't close. So So I'm trying to get used to that also, like closing when I see good profits, because like, okay, fine, why not just take this? Yes, it might continue moving, but I'll just catch it on the next leg or whatever, because I know what I'm looking out for. Anyway, so that's Bitcoin. But as you can see, it pushed up, gave us a lower high, but then it gave us equal lows. It did not want to push below these level of buys. Buys are sitting strong here. As you can see, this huge ass trade candle to the upside broke this level, this lower high here, giving us an indication. So now price is on the correction phase. So I'm waiting for the 1 hour, because it did break structures here on the 1 hour, but the correction has started and it's going back bearish. So I'm waiting for it to start trickling up, giving me lower highs. Then I could enter above here, boom, enter here when I see levels of support getting higher and higher, and then yeah, take price back up. And then as for UK, but I was also, price was still bearish on the 4 hour, so I saw it broke these levels of support here on the 1 hour. I didn't really, this is a 4 hour level by the way, but I'm seeing it on the 1 hour. I'm like, okay, cool, it broke. Oh. Then I waited for same trade as the other one. Now wait, this one I entered, yeah, then it closed, market closed, because I saw this on Friday. So I was also pretty confident, like, nah, this thing just pushed up and failed, let me just enter somewhere here. I entered, and then price moved down, almost got to my TP level, didn't close though, because I'm like, maybe it's gonna push back down. Then I saw this lower high, entered sells, got stopped out immediately, it's fine. Then the first position I had that I opened on the Friday got stopped out, as you can see, but it's okay though, it's okay. This was on the big account, the 25k account. And if you look here, right, last week, if this account didn't get blown, bro, I swear to God, this setup here, because remember, I was expecting, like, I saw price on the 1 hour, because I saw this huge ass candle. Okay, buyers kicked in strong, let's see where it goes. Then I saw on the 1 hour that the bearishness on the 1 hour stopped, right? I mean, it broke support. I could have entered, targeted this, but I was like, nah. I see it wants to buy because it did break above these highs. Then I entered somewhere here, right? I entered somewhere here. My stop loss was below here. This is the one where I got scared. This was like the Tuesday, yeah, where I got scared and shit, when I should have not changed my bias mid-trade. Price rallied, bro. Floating $1,000. Calm. But if you look here, bro, I got scared because I'm like, bro, why is it? But my account got closed because I breached the thing, so either way. But I was just thinking, like, bro, if I still held this and I still had that account, because look, stop loss was below here. It didn't even get closed, but it got closed somewhat. I guess this was a whole less correction, even though the 4 hours seemed to have been breaking structures, which is fine. Because I realized it wouldn't just make this indication for nothing. Because the strong seller sitting here, boom, it went back up, boom, it broke it, broke even this one, broke it, boom. Then it started correcting. And I'm like, damn, why did I? Then I saw this push up, so a break. Then I'm like, okay, I'll just enter sells, target these buys. Almost got there. I should have closed, but it's fine. Then all of a sudden, Monday, market open, price is just running to the upside, going back to that level where it was. So you see strongs are still sitting here, pushing price down, but I'm not too phased because, because you see, this level of sellers got broken, fine. This level of sellers is equal with these ones, right? I guess you could call it head and shoulders, but I don't treat that anymore. I don't look at it like that. I just see it as equal highs. Then it pushed down. Then price indicated above them, indicated above these highs. I could remove this now because I'm done explaining the trade I was in. yeah, so it broke this level of buys, corrected, then I sold it. That's when I took the sell. Only to find that this is a whole ass correction, bro. Which is cool. I'm so lame. Even though it's breaking structures or whatever. But remember, it didn't break these swing highs for nothing. But I still sitting strong here, fine. Then it's like, okay, it's giving us a higher low because this low is higher than this one. Boom, pushes up. And then look back to where it was. Now at the same level, it's carrying the same reaction. So I think the 1 hour is still, it's just pushing down. It's not bearish yet. So what I'm hopefully expecting, right, is that on the 1 hour it's going to be bearish, correct back to these levels that it broke, and then in 1 hour indicates back bullish, then you take it back up, target these levels, hopefully hold for more because it should want to break it this time. If not, then we'll just take it as it is. We'll just see how price does. Didn't take a trade today. I just closed those positions and just watched the market. I don't know if German wants to be bearish. I'm not gonna lie, because it did break. This one I would have been stopped out. But it's kind of funny how this broke, but UK didn't. I don't know. So I guess it does want to buy, but I would want to take it back down. But I'll see. If I see the 1 hour indicate bearish, pushes up, then gives a low high, breaks its support here, pushes up lower high, then I will target this level. But I'm not sure. I'm kind of iffy about German, so I'm just waiting for more structure to play out before I make any buys. Because UK is kind of better in a way, but Bitcoin is looking very juicy. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Just waiting for that indication back bullish. Maybe take it back up. Simple. I don't want to complicate it. I have to complicate it. But we're waiting here and there. Like, waiting for price to show me what it wants to do rather than chasing the trade. I just need to focus on stop checking the phone too much. Wait for the lows to get hit. That's what I want to focus on. And the psychology of everything. But we'll get there. Other than that, for me, it's been your boy. I'm out. I'm about to go watch me some jujutsu, baby. I don't know what episode I'm on. Oh, I'll watch this one. Oh yeah, I'm part 5, right? No, he kills Reggie. I remember that. Yeah, I'm at the point where now Utah is stepping in, bro. Utah is crazy. But anyway, that's a story for another day or another channel. I don't know. Anyway, peace and love, man. I'm out.